Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily add admin to your monday.com workspace. So what you want to do is go left down corner, and then you're going to see Teams and admin. Click on admin. Now here you're going to see login details and everything. Then what you want to click is on users. And right here, you just want to simply click like manage teams or invite members. Right, invite. And when you're going to invite someone, you're going to click like admin here, and you can simply add a new admin if you want to. So that's pretty much it, how you do it. And yeah, if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide some guidance. But this is how you can simply just click on admins and voila, invite it here. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.